Alright, so the claw's in Colchester 17. As I mentioned before, a little late to the party here. The tailstock didn't want to clamp down. It's about the only problem it had, aside from being filthy. Cross slide had no problems, just horrifyingly dirty. Of course, I got most of the cleanup done, not all of it, but most of it. Had to re-Loctite the upright in that damn thing there. That still needs a little bit of attention, but all in all, things are going smoothly. Got it tore apart for the most part. Cam's good. Just needs tightened up. All in all, excellent old lathe. Ways ain't got no wear in them. Gearbox is good. Definitely gummed up. Everything's a bit hard to move. But so next up, we're going to be getting the rest of that bad boy off. Not going to do too much disassembly in the headstock. The gearbox, mainly just a good clean. Back gears, definitely going to need a good cleaning. The roots of all them gears are just jam-packed full of shit. Bad. So we're going to have to pay some special attention to that. Make sure our gear lash is good. Got a couple of bad belts. Too loose and too tight. Getting the old shocker. There's a set of brakes in behind these pulleys here that need adjustment. The actual brake itself is not working. Well, works but barely. Believe it or not, that is a one-phase motor. Old Giganticus. The on-off switch and the brake control here is going to need something. There wasn't anything hooked up to it. Matter of fact, there's just 3 wires hanging out of the motor. So, need to figure out something with a limit switch and reversing. I'd like to get that fucker to reverse as it should. So, got some digging around to do there to get something figured out. Aside from that, it's gonna be pretty damn straightforward. Good cleaning, good douching. It's gonna be a fun journey. So let's get right back at it and finish popping off this tailstock, eh?